Hi, and welcome to my video. My name is Bongani Sifiniza. In this video, I am going to share with you a way that I found out when I was searching the financial markets. Then I saw that this, even you, if you are playing a lotto, you can use it to get a better way to choose those numbers. I do not guarantee you a jackpot in this video, but this can help you to choose better. Now, I am not a financial advisor. None of what I'm saying or showing you in this video acts as a financial advice. If you need a financial advisor, please contact someone who is registered as a financial advisor. I do not encourage anyone to gamble. I myself do not gamble. I do not play lotto. But because I was searching the financial markets, I found out this way and I thought, let me just check it in the lotto. And then I saw that even if you are looking for lotto numbers, you can use this thing. So let's go to the video. And remember, we are going to get part number 1, 2, maybe and number 3. So stay tuned. Let's go to the video and see this magic thing. So the first step is to group all the numbers. If you see in group number 1, we have cancelled 0 because we do not have number 0 in the lottery. So instead of starting from 0 to 9, we're going to start from number 1 to 9. Then group number 2 will start from number 10 to 19. Group number 3 will go from 20 to 29. Group number 4, 30 to 39. Group number 5 from 40 to 49. Group number 6 will be 50 to 54. So if you are in another place where you have more than 54 numbers, you will just put that last number there. For example, if you are in the UK, it will go to even to 59. But for this example, we will end here at 54 because we are using South African results. So after you have grouped all these numbers, we are going to write the sequences that they are using. Remember, we have these 6 numbers plus bonus. But for now, we are going to focus on those 6 digits. Then we will come back with the bonus. Another thing that I will say to you is that we will have this as part number 1. Then we will have another video as part 2, because this will not be enough in one video. Let's begin. When we say these sequences 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, or 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 1, 2, this can be arranged in a manner where it's 1, 1, 2, 2, or 2, 2, 1, 1, whatever. It doesn't mean it's going to be in this sequence or this sequence. It can be a 2, 1, 1, 1, or 1, 2, 1, 1, 1. But what I want you to know is that if we are talking about this, it means there will be 1 digit from one group, 1 digit from one digit from one group, 1 digit from one group, and 2 digits from one group. This means that if you just tick any random numbers from the paper that you are using when you are playing Lotto, immediately you tick more than 3 digits in one group, then you are in trouble. Maybe that's why they don't pay you when you just get 1 number or 2 numbers. So when we come to this one, it tells us that there's only 1 digit in one group, 2 in one group, and 3 in one group. So we are going to check the results. These are the results in front of us. We are going to use this method to find out from each result what sequence did they use. In part 2, we are going to break these groups in smaller groups so that we can know in that group, because remember, each group has how many numbers? 1, 2, up to 9. That's about 9 numbers. So, but how do you know if they are going to take which number from those 9 digits. So we are going to break that into small pieces so that you can get close to what number are they going to pick. But this helps you to understand that if you are grouping these numbers, this will help you to understand once you pick one digit from between those digits, you must know that you don't have to pick another one, jump to another group. That's what this means. So without wasting any time, let's go to the results and see what we are talking about. Now, these results, if you check the dates, they are following each other. The 15th of July, 2023, the 12th, the 8th, the 5th, the 1st, the 28th of June, and so on and so on. So we are going to use these results as an example. We are not going to skip any week. We will take it from each week so that you can see that each and every week is using one of these. So you will see that they will take maybe 2 weeks using this before they go to another one. But in other parts of this video, we are going to check how long does they take before they change from one part to another. But let us look at this pattern that we are talking about if we can spot it. Let's start from the first results. We have number 8. We will start from the first digit. If you can see, they take it from the smaller digits to a bigger one, and this is a bonus. Remember, we said we are going to look at the bonus after. So let's begin with this one. Number 8. Number 8 is coming from which group? Group number 1, because it starts from 1 up to 9. So in group number 1, they picked one digit. That was 8. So let us check. Is there any other number that comes from that group? We must ignore the bonus for now. We are still talking about these 6 digits. It's only 8, so they took 1 from that group. So the following digit is number 12, and number 12 comes from group number 2. Is there any other number from group number 2? No. So they took 1 only from group number 2. The following number is 27. Let's check. 27 comes from group number 3. Is there any other number from group number 3? No. They took only 1. So the following one is number 37. Number 37 is from which group? Group number 4. Did they take any other number from group number 4? No, because group number 4 starts from 32, 39. Then they took 47, and 47 is in group number 5. Is there any other number from group number 5? Yes, it's 48. Now remember, this is how you are going to memorize these things. Each group ends with 9, except group number 6, unless your results can go to 59. So each group ends with number 9. So in order to know by just looking at the results which group is it, you must know that from this 10th to the 9, from its 10th to the 9, so it's going to be a 1 to 9, a 10 to 9, a 20 to 29, a 30 to 39. So that's how you are going to spot these groups, just by looking there. So which sequence from these ones did they use in those results? They took 1, 1, 1, 1, and then they took 2. Now if you come back and look here, they took 1, 1, 1, 1, 2. So they used this first one. We are going to look at the week before that one to see what sequence did they use. Now they took number 1. Number 1 is in group number 1. Which other digit is coming from group number 1? It's 4. So they took 2 from that group. There's no other digit from that group. And then they took number 14, which is in group number 2. And this is the only digit in that group. And then they took 29, which is the only digit in that group, and 38. This one falls in its own group, and 52. So this is 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. So even in this group, in this week, they used the same sequence of 1, 1, 1, 1, 2. That's why I'm saying not each week they are going to arrange it as a 1, 1, 1, 1, then 2 there. Don't memorize it like that. Just understand that they took 2 from one group and then took 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So they took 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. So let's look at the week before that one. In this week, they took 14, and this is group number 2. There's no other digit from group number 2. And then they took 39, 33, and 39. These are coming from the same group. And then they took 41, 48, and 49. These are coming from the same group. So this is 3, 2, 1. Let's look here and see if there is a 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1, or a 1, 2, 3. Because if you check, you have one digit, you have 2 digits in the same group, and 3 in the same group. So this is 1, 2, 3. Then the following week, the week before that one, sorry, they took 19. This is the only digit in its own group because this is the last digit from group number 2. Number 19 is the last digit from group number 2. So they took 19, and then they took 20, 23, and 24. These comes from the same group, group number 3. 20, 20, 23, and 24 are coming from this group, group number 3. So then they took 43 and 42 from the same group. So this week and this week, they used the same sequencing. This week and this week, they use the same sequencing because this is 1, this is, so where are we? Sorry, this is 1, and this is 2, 3, and 2. So they use the 3, 2, 1, or 1, 2, 3, which is they use the same one. Now, as I said that in the following part of this video, we are going to look at how long does they take to change the pattern. And in this pattern, how do you know which group are they going to take from? And then we're going to see in that group, because we have 9 numbers, which number are they going to take from? So I would like you to go and practice this step first. And then you go to part number 2 and see how we break down all these things. So up until the next video, please do not forget to like the video, comment, and ask any question you want us to answer. And then please share the video. Until the next video, thank you so much. Okay, guys, I hope this video helped you. And if you want part 2, please like the video, guys. Like the video. Let's take the likes to 10,000K. And if we hit 10,000K, then I'm going to release part 2. And remember, this is where we are going to break these groups into smaller groups where you are going to get more information exactly on where are they going to choose the numbers. Click